What up, you guys? Tune in today with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Welcome, YouTube. So I'm giving you guys 4 days of my wings, man, that I love to make. Some wings that the family love. But this one right here, this is gonna be my first time trying to make it. But I had it at Wingstop and it was amazing, man. So you guys have to tune into this video. So I already got some wing nets right here. I know, wash them off, dry them up. So we're gonna go ahead and start by seasoning these bad boys up. These are gonna be some garlic Parmesan wings. So we're gonna hit it with about a tablespoon of garlic because we already want that garlic taste in there. We will hit it with a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm gonna be using some fresh black peppercorn. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get it mixed up really good. Oh, I really smell that garlic coming out of there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to go drop these in the grease. I already got my grease over here preheat. Let's go over here to the wok. So I got my wok grease nice and hot. Be careful when you're putting this chicken in. You don't want it to splat. Okay, there we have it. We're gonna go ahead and let them fry out for about 12 minutes. Stay tuned, you guys. We'll come back and flip them over if we have to. We're gonna go ahead and start making our sauce for these wings. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You don't want salted butter because you already have salt, you know, on your chicken. Since it's gonna be garlic Parmesan, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic. And we'll go ahead and just let that, you know what, we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. We'll go ahead and let that cook on, simmer on down. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and stir up our butter and garlic. You see how the garlic is starting to get a little brown to it? That's perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and just cut it off and wait for our chicken to get ready. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we have here our wings. They're nice and hard, nice and crispy like we like them. Now that our wings are ready, we're gonna go ahead and pour our garlic butter over top of the wings. And we just go ahead and mix them up in there. Yeah. Okay, let me grab a plate and we're gonna place our Parmesan cheese on there. So you can see how lovely that garlic is really popping out on there. So now I'm just gonna come and hit it with a heffing of Parmesan cheese. And boy, does that look amazing. We just go top it with just a little bit of parsley. Hey, y'all check it out. Let me know what you think, man. Hey, these are some amazing wings. I'm telling you. If you haven't had these before, you have to give them a try. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in this week, checking out my videos. of me making wings 4 days in a row. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.